Hello, what we got here is a 928S4. I've attached a 996 windshield washer fluid. I guess it'd be pipe. I think it was like $10. And what I've done is I cut off the bottom of it, and then the 928 parted basically. Part of the plastic or whatever the materials are started falling apart, so I cut that off, and the newer part to replace that is about $300 just for a pipe that goes to here, and the pipe's fine, it's just the top's deteriorated. And I mean, I don't use windshield washer fluid that much anyways. So I took the 996 part and I've bonded it with this new it's called Q-Bond. And basically you take super glue and this powder, and the powder residue's here, so there's no super glue there, so that'll wipe up. I'll blow that away. But right now it's curing up, and we'll see how it works. But the reservoir top there, I thought of another way of doing it. Could have used like maybe a rubber grommet or something on it, and then maybe some clamps on it. But I think this is going to work fine, and it'll look fine. It's laying right there. It'll look like it's supposed to be there, and it's a Porsche part. So, I mean, there's a few custom things in my car, so be it. And when it's time, if I need to get behind there, and what I thought was kind of cool is that is actually out of the way of that part. So that kind of works out perfect the way I turned it. And if need be, if I need to replace this reservoir, I can pull the part out like you're supposed to. So, hi, I'd like to wrap up this video like I had promised. So the reservoir is, the windshield wiper reservoir is here. It's holding on very firmly. I have actually poured fluid in it, filled up the reservoir that goes, I guess the container tank goes underneath back in there. No drips whatsoever. Very happy with the results. So all in all, it's not bad. You got a $10 used Porsche Boxster 996 part, and then bought the glue, which I'm going to use the glue for other projects. So very happy with that. If you would, please subscribe.